Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out these OneMix road running shoes. So here we go. On the top here, pretty fancy looking shoes here. Comes with this, looks like, let's see what's in this little baggie here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Some OneMix like running socks there. Nice and stretchable, feels lightweight and breathable. Okay, let's check out these shoes here. Pretty cool. And oh guys, gotta say, these are like crazy lightweight. I mean, they're just slightly heavier than the socks, which is pretty crazy. Kind of a cool design there. Look at the bottom. I'm gonna have to get a scale so you guys can just see how lightweight these are. And this whole top part, I don't know if you can see through that, but this is just like it's a mesh like material. That's pretty cool. This back portion has like a little strings in there, so when you pull on it, it actually pulls it tight on the front portion there. I've never seen that before in a shoe. That's really nice. What I like about this, I just noticed this right off the bat here, is that this loop actually attaches to the top. So when you do pull it back, your heel can actually just slide right in there, which is a really good idea. A lot of shoes just have like the little loop in the back, and most of the time it's quite a bit smaller than this too. So this is a well designed, plenty of size to get 2 fingers in there if you want, and I like how it's attached right at the top, so it's super helpful to just slide your heel in there. Very lightweight material. Like I said, this is a mesh here, so you can see my hand through that. That's pretty cool. Seems like it's going to be super comfy. We got this little like air gel packet down here. Anyways, let's get the other shoe out of there. I'm going to try these on, of course. Be testing them out. All right, get that out. And check that out too. It's like the laces have like a little stretchy material, and those attach to the back here too. So I like how it's got this plastic loop here. So when you do tighten up your shoe, it's not going to like tear this or whatever. And we got this really lightweight material that goes around here, but it's like protects the laces too. Anyways, so far, my friends, first impressions is these are kind of a cool looking shoe, very lightweight, and I'm kind of excited to see how comfortable they're going to be when I put them on. So if we can check out it's got a little pad there for the heel, and then also inside we have like a little bit of arch support too, but not too much, so that is nice as well. Okay, my friends, well, let's just slip these on and give them a try, and we'll tell you how comfortable they are. Maybe give them for a little test run and see. But first impression, oh yeah, let's weigh these real quick first. All right, well, I got this scale here real quick. So I got some Nike Vapor Maxes and these OneMix shoes here. So we're going to check out the weight on here and just show you how incredibly light these things are. So units, turn it on, and unit, we're going to go ounces. All right, ounces. All right, here's the Nikes, 10.8. And now check out these things here. They're crazy. 9.1 ounces. It's insane. These things are almost weightless. It's crazy for a shoe. Yeah, like these things are crazy light. Let's try them on, and I'll let you know what I think about them. Ready? So do like heel toe or toe, just toe? Oh, I think these are so lightweight. You gotta run past me, then like. Okay. All right, my son wanted to race me at 100 yards, so let's see how this goes here. Ready? Yeah. Go! What happened? All right, my friends, so final thoughts. They're really comfortable, very lightweight. This is the lightest shoe I've ever worn. The loops, actually, you could use them and help to put your shoe on. A lot of times this loop right here is down, it's attached down here. It's barely big enough to get one finger on. And it doesn't pull back this so you can slide your heel in. So this is very well designed. It works, it's really comfortable also. So yeah, I don't really like running, but this was not a painful experience taking it to the track. And I don't really have anything bad to say about them, except that maybe because this mesh part here was a little cold outside, so before I started running, my feet were a little chilly. But other than that, that's not really a negative thing against the shoe. I can't really say. It's nice to have breathable shoes so your feet don't keep all that heat in there and moisture and have issues with that. Yeah, if I were to run more, I would definitely wear these and walking and things like that. They're just a super lightweight and comfortable shoe. It seemed to be well designed. I didn't see any flaws that I can pick apart right now. Durability wise, seemed to be holding up as far as there's no obvious things. I've had shoes break, like the very first time I went to pull the lace on and I had a thing tear, but not on these. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day out there. If you are looking for some nice, comfortable running shoes, I would recommend these. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.